Hey guys, this is Max, and we're going to do something really stupid to test something out. So right now, I'm inside one of my test sites. Mary had a little gram, and we're going to click Remove All Products. And this is going to remove all products, product variations, and everything else. We're going to click OK. And for those of you that want to see this, right now we have 470 published products in here. Okay, just so you keep this all here. Logic. Remove all product, remove all product, remove all product, removed. Okay, so you can go into this and here you go, WooCommerce with no products. So we're going to go back here, go to locations, and we're going to go to actions, and we're going to go to sync now. Might want to reset the cache and then sync now again. There you go, sync now successfully. So as you'll see here, we have 223 products. Okay, and if I refresh again, it's still pulling them in, 317. If I refresh again, let's just say 317 because we're pulling this from a live. So there's 317 products in the inventory. And as you can see here, there are some products here that just do not have a product photo, right? We can go to the next page. So what we've been working on here, just from experience, is that essentially managing, when you do a point of sale to WordPress inventory sync, one of the biggest time sucks is having to upload product images into your point of sale. So let's just go to the shop. It might be faster this way. So we go to the shop, and you can see like there's products, right? There's a lot of products that don't have a photo. So inside Brander, what we did, and look, we cut some corners on this a little bit because I wanted to get this done fast because I knew we were going to be having to match about 300 product photos. So I know that this hat is not a THCA cocktail, right? And I know that this is not a THCA flower. We're just using images, okay? But in our account here, okay, in our Brander account, in one of our test accounts, we have a total of 292 files here. Some of them may match up, some of them may not. But this is what we were able to pull, get from the client, and for this, but also we don't test on live sites, we test on our own sites. So what we're going to do is go back in here. Okay, what we've done with Brander is Brander has a plugin, right? And in the plugin, you'll see it has image management. Okay, it'll show all the images that are synced through the account if you sync them up, but it'll also show like whatever's in your media library as well. We're going to click image matching. What this does is that this pulls your products in and it'll show you like, hey, we want to see which products don't have photos. So you can do a bulk action, match image, whatever. I'm going to skip all that. I'm just going to go match images. We're going to do match all missing images, right? As you can see, it's going to go through and match the images based on semantic learning. So as long as you have your product photo names titled close or exact to your product that you're selling, we can save so much time and match everything up with the integration. Okay, I'm going to pause this because as you saw, there were quite a few and this has got a ways to go. But I'll run this through and show you in a sec. Okay, so I'm back. As you can see, this is where I left off. I'm going to scroll down. Other than like one or two, because fucker movie ticks, uh, anything that was in there, I don't think Bubbler or some of these were actually in our original test, but you can see it now. Go to store. This. The majority of these now have images, whereas they didn't have them before. Okay, and I was kind of rushing one of my teammates to do this. I was like, I want to get this test done. I was like, stop trying to find the exact match image. Just make it. Just do it. So some of these don't match at all. Like this is obviously not a Bruce Banner thing. This is obviously not this. But what we have here is, this is obviously not a THC card. I was like, I don't care if you have to redo the hat 200 times, redo the hat, just rename it. Because I just want to get this tested. But what we have here now are basically product images that are synced from, okay, from Brander. And if you go here, click on the product, copy image URL. Yep. This is what we got. So these product photos are now, all right, these product photos are now in here. Okay. And this is something that you can sync as often as you want to. In here, you can do your image management. Okay. We have 7 pages of images. Okay. Sorry, these ugly ones, these are the ones that, some of these were already uploaded to the website. And these are being pulled, the ones with the code in the back, those are being pulled from Brander. Okay. But inside Brander, okay, what you can do is, let's just say hypothetically, so for the ashtray, which is actually a grinder, ashtray, okay, ashtray and grinder for, plant lovers. Okay, alt text, ashtray, tags, ashtray, grinder, accessories, save. Okay, we now have metadata. We have EXIF, and the EXIF, we have EXIF data written into this. So if you're a photographer, guess what? You get credit for this. If you want to do geolocation photos on your photos, it doesn't strip the metadata or the EXIF files, which are super important for SEO. Okay, this is private. We can make this public. Okay, it's private. Like we can't share this right now. I mean, we can, but sharing, we'll turn it to public, right? So now it's a public image. We'll go to the URLs. What we have right here is essentially your original file, which is 1,000 by 1,000, where you've got your thumbnail size, which is going to be basically here, I'll just show you the difference. Okay, I'll pop this in here, a new tab. Okay, so there's your original file. There's your thumbnail file. Okay, boom, auto resized. So you can take this entire folder. If you're a brand, you can take everything in this folder, okay, and share it. If someone's like, "Hey, where's that product photo?" Boom, you got it. Stores the EXIF data, stores your metadata, stores your tags, stores your everything. Auto syncs to your website. We did it. Welcome to how to launch your branded website or your retail website and save you potentially months. Like literally how to launch a website in less than 30 days. We just did it.